For page 3 and 4, I want to complete a double page layout, so I've laid it in this position particularly so that the floral kind of ties across the 2 pages. I am going to put that to the side. I'm going to cut off the advertising strips on both, plus a little bit more. So there's my 12-inch. I'm cutting it down to 11. So I've cut maybe a smidgen off more than in the past. So I have used MT PHO01 and 05. Next I'm going to grab my scoreboard. This one I am going to score at 3 1/8. This is my left hand page. My right hand page I'm going to score at 8 7/8. Oops, and what I didn't tell you to do was check the back of this one. So I've made a bit of an oops there and I've scored it right through the center, which is really silly. So we're going to put it the correct way and score at 8 7/8. So make sure you put your paper up the correct way. This paper is so busy that you're not even going to see the oops. Away. And we are going to add this one. On the left hand side, and you'll see when it's open like that you've got the blues coming through, but when these are closed you've also got this sort of sepia color coming through. Line it up with the outside. Your glue sticks. So there we've got another double page. I love how it sort of goes across from the moodiness of the room through to this floral. And then we're going to get on to our last 2 pages.